Okay, now here we need to prove this ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Now this is a quadrilateral, no? Anyway, because we have four sides. Huh? This is very simple question. Now first of all, let's find what the value of this x, right? It's very simple because we know this all four angles together it will make 360, right? Because this is a quadrilateral, it has four sides, so that's why this 4 add up to 360. So we can write like this, what the x plus 20, that means this, then here plus 3x minus 40 plus here 2x minus 5, right, equal to what, the 360, right? If you slow this, you can get what the value of x. So let's try x plus x 2x, 2x plus 3x 5x, 5x plus 2x 7x, like that. These all x are positive, plus plus plus, so very easily you can add. Then here plus 20 minus 40. So what the answer? Plus 20 minus 40. You can think here, you can enter to calculator and get the answer, but if you need to do it in mind, you can do what, the plus 20 minus 40. That means different sign we have, so minus will answer will be minus. When you have different sign, we need to put the bigger one sign, right? Minus 40 minus, so minus bigger mean without the sign. If you consider what the bigger, so that sign you need to put that one sign. So here port is the bigger, it's sign minus, so minus port and then subtract 40 minus 20 mean 20. Okay, I will do again here. I left here minus 5. Okay, equal 360. You can do this also at once, but I need to show this how to simplify this is without calculator, so that's why I'm telling here 7x, and here when you have two signs, when you have two number with the same sign, we put the same sign, that mean what the sign with these two number, that sign, and then add together. So here 20 plus 5 mean 25, like that we can get the answer here 360. Now what we need to do, we need to find somehow x, no? So keep 7x here minus 25 into here, so it will be 360 plus 25, because when we bring this minus 25 to this side, it will be plus. Now here 7x, and here when you add together, it will be 385. Now we need to divide both sides by 7, right? So here x equal what the, how many 7 are there and 3? No. How many 7 are there and 38? It will be 5. So again 3 remain here. 7 times 5 is 35, no? So 3 remain. When you put here again 3, it will be 35. In 35, how many 7? It is 5. Okay, 55. X is 55. Okay, now we have x value, no? That means here 55. This is just x, no? So that's why this angle is 55 degrees, right? And we need to find this angle also. Now, anyway, now we need to prove this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So how to prove it? You need to show this opposite angle add up to 180. That means this plus this angle, or this plus this 180. So I can prove easily this plus this 180. Let's see, check here 55. Let's find here what the angle value. Here we have like this, 3x minus 40. So x replaced with what the answer we got for x, that means 55. So here 3 into 55, 5 into 3 15, 1 remain, and then 3 into 5 15, 15 plus 1 165 here answer, right? And then here 40 okay, 165 minus 40 mean 125. Okay, now this angle is 125, right? This is 125. Now we know when we add together, that means 55 plus 125, what the answer here will be 108. Here 108. So that's the answer. We prove this angle plus this angle is 180. So that means this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So you can tell opposite angle add up to 180. So that's why this is a cyclic quadrilateral.